Today's topic is proportion, and we are going to solve problems from exercise 12a. So, question number 4. The first, second, and the fourth terms of a proportion are 6, 18, and 75, respectively. Find its third term. So, here the first term is given, that is equal to 6. Similarly, second is 18 and the fourth one is 75 and the third term is missing. So our task is to find the third term. So let's assume the third term to be as x. So let the third term of proportion be x. Then 6, 18, 6 is the first term, 18 is the second term. Now x is the third term and 75 is the fourth term. So 6, 18, x and 75 are in proportion. Always remember that the order of these terms as it's mentioned in the question, they have to be in proper order. If the order is not maintained properly, then your work will be incorrect. So if they are in proportion, then we can write it according to their order as 6 being the first term, 18 second term, x as the third term and 75 as a fourth term. They form the proportion this way. So 6 is to 18 becomes equal to x is to 75. Now in the next step, we know that the product of the means equals the product of the extremes. So 18 into x is equal to 6 into 75. In the next step, this 18 goes down here in the right hand side as a denominator. So x equals 6 into 75 divided by 18. Now the 6 will cancel 18 three times. So you'll get 75 by 3. Now 75 divided by 3 is 25. So x is equal to 25. Therefore, we can say the required third term is equal to 25. Next question is question number 8, which says the ratio of sale of eggs on a Sunday and that of the whole week at a grocery shop was 2 is to 9. If the total value of the sale of eggs in the same week was rupees 360, find the value of the sale of eggs that Sunday. So let's try to understand what the question says. So there is a shop, and on Sunday the amount of the ratio of sale of eggs on Sunday and to that of the whole week is 2 is to 9. That means if 2 rupees sale is on Sunday, then on the remaining number of days from Monday to Saturday, the sale is of rupees 9. So in a similar way, if the total value of the sale of the eggs in the same week is rupees 360, then we have to find how much is the sale on Sunday. So let's look at the solution. As given, ratio of sale of eggs is equal to 2 is to 9. That means if 2 eggs are sold on Sunday, then 9 eggs will be sold on the remaining number of days. So 2 is to 9 is the given ratio. Now let's assume that the value of sale of eggs on Sunday be rupees x. So on that particular Sunday, we have to find the value of the eggs sale of eggs. So let's assume that value of sale of eggs is rupees x. So we can relate the two ratios as 2 is to 9, the given ratio is equal to, since this 2 is for Sunday and 9 is for the remaining number of days, so similarly x is for Sunday and 360 is for remaining number of days, and they will be in proportion. So 2 is to 9 is proportional to or is equal to x is to 360. Now in the next step, we know what we are supposed to do. 9 into x, the product of means, becomes equal to the product of extremes, 2 into 360. Alright, so x is equal to 2 into 360 divided by this 9, which goes on the right hand side as denominator. 9 can cancel 360 40 times, so we have 2 into 40. 2 times 40 is equal to 80. Therefore, the value of x is 80, or we can say the value of sale of eggs on that Sunday is rupees 80.